And this is lift number 1.
Lift number 1. It's engines.
Got to be quick before that staff member wants to use it. Right, let's get there. Got to be.
That's take ages.
That's a lift that takes ages. Oh no, it'll close in a minute.
No, Finch is waiting for us.
Come on. There we go.
Finchy, let us. Oh, I don't need first, I think. Exits, yeah! Oh, can't. We have to get out of the chick.
My turn. It's there.
1 and 2.
Now, the B&Q one going to be it, so.
Always does.
Oh.
Oh. Oh!
Oh, there we go. Here it goes. That's. And this is lift number 1. Gee, is it my turn?
Yeah.
So what? God, oh, listen to me, please. It's not that.
There's no one on there, so.
Mine. Yeah, your turn. Huh? Might just click Eugene now.
They don't have to get out.
Here we go. Here we are, back upstairs.
Didn't have to press the alarm on the B&Q, the lift. Is lift number 4 going to be working? This one was.
Hey, it's lift number 4.
My turn.
I knew it'd be itchy, I knew it. Unless that's where they keep them overnight.
Oh, it went hard.
It'll be up in a minute. And that's a slow.
No, that lift number 1's.
There we go. No one. That's got a different floor. Might just cut you.
Yeah. Sensor glitch then. You just missed it. Yours. They never clicked it. So somebody's on it. Might not even want to use it.
Oh, they did want to use it. Must have dismissed him.
Yeah, we did.
Must have dismissed that person.
So we're just about to have to get out upstairs. We're just about. See the down arrow, come on.
This is lift number 2.
Not broken, otherwise someone else would confuse this. Your turn.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Always.
Your turn to pick G.
Oh, I did. Here we go. Never have to get out on this. Where's lift 3?
G, it's...
So someone's even taken that one. I swear it's a bit quicker. Your turn.
Alright, when the door's open, we'll be quiet.
There we go. Lift number 3 next. And then the fix, lift number 4. See you, mate. And it's lift number 3.
This is lift number 3. Another one not there, another one not.
Sure no one wants to use it.
Why does click G?
Hardly made any noise that hard.
And it's your turn to click upper ground.
We're on this. Now what, mate?
To the back.
Now?
Yep. Let's listen to the motors. Huh?
There we go. Glad we didn't stop tweet.
I'm glad we didn't need.
Somebody's watch it close this screen.
Actually, it does close.
Might as well watch it go down as soon as it's a glass. But I might as well watch it.
Won't call it.
Only watch it and see how the journey goes. There we go. There's his lift number 4.
And this is lift number 4 first fixed.
And it's been fixed, like.
My turn to call it.
Yeah. Still doesn't make a noise. Huh? On this.
Your turn to click 0. It banged.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It doesn't bang
Going
anymore.
down.
That's smooth, that's.
Level 0.
It was never that smooth before it broke.
Doors opening.
Oh. My turn to click 1.
Yeah.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Nice and smooth, this lift.
Going up.
Oh wow.
Level 1.
Still shaking.
Would have not been in service there, Bills.
Doors opening.
They have changed it.
It's much smoother now, this
Please
one.
mind the doors.
Yeah.
Doors closing.
Good.
Hello, this is lift number 5.
Lift number 5.
And it's already here, and it's already 8 place. My turn when it's on the X. What are they?
Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the
Hey,
doors.
stop.
Doors closing. Going down. Level 0.
Well, that's quick.
Doors opening.
Oh, that's good timing. That's.
So we'll be staying on this one on the way back. We'll be staying on
6 G.
this one. We'll be staying on this.
Oh, wait until it goes. It says it's my turn to call it in.
It was have to get out the first time. It was have to. Where's lift 6? G.
Also, we've got to remember to stay on this one then. We've got to remember to.
2 will be getting out.
Is there anyone else on it?
No. I just click each.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Have to.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Had to get out this.
Please mind the
So we'll be
doors.
staying on this one on the way back. We'll be staying on this.
I don't think so, no.
This is lift number 6. We'll run to it.
Whose turn?
Your turn. Drain it in.
So we'll stand underneath it and wait for it to go up. There we go. Your turn to click 0.
Someone must have been on this.
There we go.
That's
Oh, I reckon he's going to want to use it.
I was about to say, oh, come on. I was about
My turn to click 1.
exactly when it's ready. It was a... This one, you G have to get out. It takes longer now, this lift. I knew it. That cleaner wants. Yeah, we'll get out in that in, Mom, Will. I know, it's... Is it getting on?
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Wait there, boys.
Yeah.
Let the cleaner get on.
Yeah. Big fit in.
Yeah, look, he's going on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been really...
Yeah.
It's taking longer than this stuff.
Yeah.
It won't be broken. Who's calling it in? Oh yeah, it's my turn. No, it's my turn, so I clicked G. Oh yeah.
I'm going to go and stand on the underneath the... There's a lady behind you who wants to get on as well.
Another person wants to get on. Another... Oh well, you click the button for that person. Oh well. Click the button for that. Come on. No, your cleaner's got a big fin. Oh, it's stuck. Had to wait again. But we'll just wait underneath the shower. There you go. You're welcome. Because it's bumps in case. I'll be calling it in again then. This one's busier than Fortis. Yet again. Third time lucky, third time. This one definitely gets used more than when it was 9218, this one. So I'm glad they changed this one, I'm glad they changed. Otherwise everyone would have been having problems with the lift. This time it's our turn this time. Raining that away. Kone, it services this one, it's... Well, how do you know? It said on the fin, it's... My turn to click G. Finally. Get out of G. It was... Oh, someone else don't want to use it. In the games, that was 5 we had to get out. Whose turn is he supposed to call it in? Your turn, That was probably... It's not there! Who was it? It was right. That pushed. God, this lift's popular today, this lift. More popular than the Asda lift, this one. Oh, it's coming, Oh yeah, it was that one who we just missed. Ooh. It was that one. Who says my Yeah, it can. This one started with that clean. 3-minute video of lift number 6 of hopefully 5 to get out again. Raking it. Sit there. And this is lift number 4. Most of those lifts in the shower, it's only the end. Yes. Is it my turn? Yeah, glad it's already down. Harry didn't have to go through the rain to get to that one. Your turn.
Going down. Please mind
Staying
the door.
on this
Doors
one.
closing.
So oh yes, we went out on the knots time round.
Going down.
Sweet. 4 will be getting out 4.
Level 0.
This time you don't have to get out this.
Oh.
Doors opening.
That's it.
My turn to click 1.
Please mind the doors.
Oh.
It's lost it.
Going up.
This time we stayed on.
Level 1.
Your turn to call it in again.
Doors opening.
Still raining by after this. Fuck,
Please
boy.
mind the doors. Doors closing.
Smooth.
And it's number 4.
My turn. Am I gonna get stuck?
Mark's going. My turn to click 0.
Yeah.
Going down. Please mind
That
the
bumped.
doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Get out and G on
Level
this.
0. Doors opening.
If both of the best lifts are out of order, we could just take this one
Again.
back down.
Doors
The
closing.
new lift number 4. We could just.
Is it whose turn?
Your turn.
Sure.
Yeah. So I clicked the absolute.
Going up.
Just wanted to make sure before I
Please
did.
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Stop.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Doesn't stop anymore.
Doors closing.
There we go.
Oh, it's
Oh!
actually going down.
What was receiving got stuck?
Oh, there's a red light on the machine. Oh, someone wants to use it.
Your turn, because
Go on then. Push the
I
button.
called in for yours.
Which one is it?
You want to go down, so
We
I've
wanna
clicked the
go-
down button.
Yeah.
I don't know which lift it'll be.
No, I don't.
One on the right.
Is this what I need to... I want to click LG.
Yeah, you click LG.
Mum, you have to get on it.
I know I do.
You love it. This lift's alright though.
How many people could it fit?
27.
That's quite a lot.
Me and Q can fit 24.
Lower ground.
Non-see-through.
There we go.
Oh my God.
Anyone else want to get on yet?
Send number 1.
I hope it does. Maybe that one's broken.
Here we go.
It has to go past UG first. There we go.
One all the way for one.
And might just click UG.
Come on, man.
Doors closing. Upper ground.
There we go. We always get this lift.
Rocking side to side
Oh,
though.
on the way, boys.
And this is lift number 3.
And this is lift number 3. And it's there.
Whose turn is supposed to call it in?
Your turn. Just twos, not the eights. Watch out! Yeah!
Your turn.
Only a little one. Always does that when it hits it. And it squeaked when you went in.
We'd get out anyway if someone's waiting.
Right. Anyway. Get in. Got in it straight. It's still
away.
got it. It's. There we go.
Is it yours? Whose turn? I hear yours.
What's dripping?
Why does it get you? Won't be any more to in the lift.
That's higher pitch.
Sit.
This is the Yeah.
Your turn to call it in from you, G.
Never owns it.
I just click G.
Your turn.
No! Yes!
Yeah. Big cute nuts. Oh, kiss.
So we'll go on 4 twice. We'll go on 4. We just about didn't get stuck. We just...
Guess we want to go on the thing to outside again.
We'll either call it in, it'll be yours. This lift's working.
So we have to do it number 1 toward the Uggs.
So we'll stay on when we go back up. We'll stay.
Want to be fixed next week? Probably.
Hopefully you don't have to get out on this.
Might have to.
It's your turn first time. This one, my turn to click G. It was working on the way there, it was working. Huh? Yeah, this one's on. Actually, what sucks, we have to stay on that bridge.
So at least we don't have to get out on this.
My turn to click UG. And my turn to
Broken for part two.
And my turn to click G this second time.
So it was only a few minutes to out of service we went on it.
Yeah, this one's on.
For next week, coach.
It would have been on 207 again. That one was even out.
Before we stay on because it was broken, the other one stay on.
So, is it my turn to click
Yeah.
G?
Do it in reverse order this time.
Is it my turn to click? Cool.
Once, twice,
Huh? Here we are back.
Here we are back at G. Here we are.
Your turn.
I'm glad not both of them are out of order. How's
Well, they have
flat-
to keep one on.
How's flatbeds going to get up for us?
Thirty's outside. Huh?
Listen to this one.
It's better this one. Yeah. If it's unusual, we can ask him what went wrong with this one. We can... See, it was working this morning, it was working. That one worked.
We could have got stuck in the other lift. We could have.
This morning, we could have...
Someone else got trapped, and it was.
Or it won't go up, or it won't.
No, I think it wouldn't go down.
That's it.
That's it.
This one is it whose turn?
Your turn. Glad the doors are not broken on it, otherwise we would have had to come back to the Asda one.
No, they take a while out. What is on it?
It we
Guys
getting out
will do
first
once. What ice we might as well.
Getting out first time, staying on second. Getting out first time, staying on second.
Oh, it closed straight away. Oh, did it now?
If the one outside's working, if
It'll be out for 2 weeks, being Q1.
certainly this one twice for 2 weeks.
Get out first.
To live number 1 3 times for 2 weeks. Well, how do you know it won't be because lift number 4 is broken next?
Yeah, they're doing maintenance to that one next.
Unless Oakland were not here yet when we got, unless
Is it?
my turn. No, yours.
No, it's your turn.
That's because we did lift number 4 and being cute.
So that means that we lift number 1 in being cute. It's when it's back on it. Maybe they're doing maintenance to that one so it doesn't get used often. Oh, stay on when we go back up. Stay.
So we had a lucky escape on that one. So we could have been stuck on it.
Huh? Whoa.
Click G again.
Yeah, I will do when the door's open. Now,
Yeah. This one's on.
this one's alright.
Always takes a while. We just imagine they're stuck in this number one being kids.
We could have had to been nearly so we're stuck.
Oh, sounds funny, this one.
But it won't break. Hopefully, it don't break down before this number one's fixed. And being cute. Stay on this time, the hound will stay.
Yeah? Your turn.
Jackson doesn't phone you up. Jackson does. Come on.
He always does this. Oh?
There's this don't do it when it's nearly out. Whoa!
This one's making weird noises. Doesn't sound healthy, this one.
I hope it doesn't break before that one being accused back on.
Otherwise they won't have much choice of flatbeds, otherwise...
Or they'll relocate some flatbeds to G, or no.
Could do. If all the lifts are out of order.
Every choice for us, though.